Sanford, North Carolina pressure washing. If you are trying to find expert pressure washing in Sanford, North Carolina, this video explains everything you need to know about selecting a trusted contractor, understanding the process, and getting the best results for your property. We've got experience washing away dirt and grime from driveways in Sanford, North Carolina, restoring their original appearance. Our team knows the importance of a clean driveway for safety and curb appeal. From patios to sidewalks, we use high-pressure washing equipment to remove stubborn stains and mildew. This helps prevent slips, trips, and falls on public areas like those found at downtown Sanford, NC's parks. We also offer exterior cleaning services for Sanford, North Carolina homes and businesses, including deck and fence sanitizing. Our eco-friendly solutions are safe for pets, plants, and the environment. In addition to our surface cleaning services, we provide specialized stain removal for Sanford, North Carolina's tough messes, be it oil-based or water-based stains on concrete or asphalt surfaces. Our team is dedicated to providing top-notch pressure washing services in Sanford, North Carolina, ensuring your property looks its best all year round. We understand that time and budget are valuable assets for local business owners in Sanford, North Carolina, so we offer flexible scheduling options and competitive pricing to fit your needs. Regular maintenance from our team can help prevent costly repairs down the line by removing dirt and grime that can damage surfaces over time. Our team's best work now is due to the attention we give to every single property in Sanford, North Carolina, ensuring each one meets our high standards of quality and customer satisfaction. We're proud to say that our experienced technicians have received specialized training on the latest pressure washing equipment and techniques, making us more efficient and effective. By partnering with local businesses like yours, we're able to offer customized solutions tailored to your unique cleaning needs, protecting your brand's reputation and enhancing customer experience. Our state-of-the-art fleet is well-maintained, ensuring our trucks arrive at your doorstep ready to tackle any job, no matter the size or scope. This allows us to respond quickly to your needs. In Sanford, NC, we know that time is money, which is why we prioritize fast turnaround times without compromising on quality, getting you back to business as usual in record time. Our team's best work comes from our thorough preparation and planning, ensuring we hit all the tough spots in your home or business, making every surface sparkle like new. We take pride in our locally owned operation, where every technician has spent years serving Sanford, North Carolina residents, understanding their needs and delivering top-notch service with a personal touch every time. By working closely with property managers, homeowners associations, and local businesses, we get to know the unique challenges of maintaining properties in Sanford, North Carolina's climate and geography, tailoring our pressure washing solutions to meet those demands. Regularly cleaning your home's exterior with a professional pressure washing service can save you time and money by removing tough dirt, grime, and mildew that can damage surfaces over time. If you are looking for pressure washing in Sanford, North Carolina, woodiesnc.com can help with free estimates, fast scheduling, and top-notch service to get your property clean and looking great. Click the link below to learn more